suppose I'm not doing well in a relationship, I will sometimes check the compatibility. Or like if you have a crush, then it's very normal to like go and check about their zodiac sign and how compatible you are.
My first crush was Leo. And I remember for a week, I felt so sad that why is Aquarius and Leo not compatible when like I have fallen for Leo.
You are listening to Tidbits. And what is this tidbit about?
What do zodiac signs tell us about love and life? What do we think? So, are you one of those friends who is forever obsessed with zodiac signs to the extent of judging people based on them? Keeping up with all the updates and checking your compatibility on love, sex, or even friendship based on people's zodiac sign? Of course, there's something very mystic about it. And some of us are totally into it, right? While some don't believe in astrology, some are ardent believers of it. So let's find out which side these women are on.
Hi, my name is Isha Markani. I'm 23 years old and I work in marketing and I also have a YouTube channel and I've also been modeling since 4 years. I do believe in zodiac signs, but I honestly find them really, really interesting. It's one of my first questions that I ask people when I meet them is, what is your zodiac sign? Because I literally judge people based on their zodiac sign, which is not the best thing to do. But that being said, I don't actually read my horoscope every day because I think horoscopes actually do influence the way you kind of go about your day. Also, if you read that your horoscope is negative for the day, then you'll kind of have that negative attitude for the entire day. So then I try not to do that. But I do believe in zodiac signs 100%. So I am a Leo. Need I say any more? I am literally the lion of the zodiac. So I don't hate anything about my zodiac except maybe the fact that I'm a little bit vain and actually I don't hate that. I love that we're like leaders, that we're powerful personalities, extremely luxurious, extremely extravagant, extremely loyal as well. So these are a few things I love about my zodiac sign. Also the fact that we're the king of the jungle.
Hi, I'm Radhika and I'm from Bombay. I do not believe in zodiac signs. I used to, though, and I used to keep up with the daily updates, but currently I don't because I just stopped resonating with them or something like that. So that's why I stopped keeping up with the trend. I'm an Aries and I love how passionate and determined an Aries is or can be. And I also love that Aries can always be bold but yet so kind and warm with everyone.
Hey, my name is Priyanka and I'm from Kolkata. I do believe in zodiac signs, but I do not really keep up daily with them. But there are these like few Instagram pages where I see, like how my zodiac sign is, what are its traits, and, whatever it is compatible with. The traits that I actually love about my zodiac sign is that first is it's lazy. It says that, my trait is lazy, which is absolutely true. Second, that I don't really give a fuck about people. And I think that is one of the best traits.
Hi, this is Ananya and I'm from Mumbai and I'm 21 years old. So I think I don't exactly very religiously follow zodiac signs, but I do find it intriguing sometimes. Like I will look up like if I'm having a bad day or like excited to know what's going to happen today. Sometimes I do look it up like not on a daily basis, but it is intriguing sometimes. Like I will follow it and it is very interesting that it actually matches a lot of what happens in my day. So I think people should give it a shot if they aren't very into zodiac signs, because most of it is correct for me at least. So I am a Scorpio, and Scorpios are, their strengths basically are said to be that they're brave and passionate and like a true friend and all of that. And I will like to believe that all of that is true. So even the weaknesses that they talk about, they say that we're distrusting and we're cold. We don't really, show what we are actually thinking. We're not very emotive. Scorpios are generally said to be a very cold personality. I do stay to myself and not trust easily. So I think that a lot of factors about Scorpio is like correct about me as well. And I like truth and I hate dishonesty and stuff like that. And it's very relatable. All the traits that a Scorpio has, I think I do relate to it.
How important is it for you to match your zodiac sign with your partner or match the traits? Do people really consider doing that? And talking about sex and love life, is it important to be compatible astrologically rather than physically?
To me, it is not really that important to match my zodiac sign with my partner relating to anything. But my partner is a Gemini, and it is always said that Aquarius and Geminis make a best couple. So, yeah, I'm kind of happy about that.
So, because I don't believe in all of them right now, I don't think it's important for me to match my zodiac sign with my partner relating to anything. And even when I used to believe, I did not have any hard and fast rule for it to be compatible with my partner. I do not believe in zodiac signs right now, so I do not even believe that elements of our zodiac sign of my partner and mine need to be compatible. So I don't have any such belief. But I do know people who are really hard and fast on this, who will really find out about all of this before getting into something like a relationship.
I am a Leo and I'm dating a fellow Leo. And that's supposed to be a very deadly combination because two lions can't be in the same den, apparently. And you can't have like two lions in one relationship. So apparently it's not the best idea, but I still am with him because I don't want to consider so many things. Like, I feel like more than just the zodiac sign, there are other things that you're supposed to take into consideration, like your entire natal chart or your entire, sun, moon, rising, or whatever that is. And you can't just judge based on that one thing. So I don't really match my zodiac sign with my partner based on the whole zodiac thing. Sometimes zodiac compatibility does make sense, but then there are so many couples who are not the most compatible according to zodiac signs, and then they do actually end up working out really well. So it also depends on the sun, moon, and the rising of the person. It all comes together, and that kind of defines the person's personality, not just your sun sign. So I don't think you should just base it on your sun sign.
It says that a Scorpio would be really compatible with Aries and I think also Taurus. And the highest compatibility is with a Pisces. So I think my best friend and my sister both are Aries. So I would like to believe that it's true and I have a really good compatibility with them. So I don't generally match the zodiac before getting into a relationship, but I am considering it now that I think that it is very true. But if suppose I'm not doing well in a relationship, I will sometimes check the compatibility, or like if you have a crush, then it's very normal to like go and check about their zodiac sign and how compatible you are on those online meters, and you get like 90% and it makes you happy and all of that. So I have done all of that in my teenage years. So I think it's interesting to know. So Scorpio is a water sign and it's said to be very expressive. So I think it should match. It would be good if it matched with my partner. So that would be interesting. But I haven't done that like earlier on in my life. So I think that would be an interesting thing to see if the sex life or love life depends on it.
And swearing off a particular zodiac sign, is that legit reason to snub someone? I have literally seen a ton of people do that.
I think I have this thing against Aquarius. I don't know why. I guess I've had like really bad experiences with a lot of people, like my friends who have always been like 2-3 of them have been in Aquarius. So I don't know why, but I think that I don't really bond with them and I do like stay away, like I keep a distance from them. So I think I do believe in that sometimes.
Of course, I absolutely hate and detest Geminis. My own dad is a Gemini, so it's not like I have any personal vengeance, which is why I'm saying this. But like, I just think that they're the most doubled whole key, most two-faced people in the world without even trying to be two-faced. Like, they can't even help the fact that they're two-faced. And it's literally a part of their personality, which I think is retarded. And I don't want to be around any Geminis ever.
Yes, so I did see this trait or something online that Aquarius does not go well with Leo. And I saw this like years back when I had like my first crush. My first crush was Leo. And I remember for a week, I felt so sad that why is Aquarius and Leo not compatible when like I have fallen for Leo. So that was very funny.
Right, or just compatible signs. Well, that's definitely better and maybe not presumptuous, as the zodiac sign can turn out.
It's time I find another hot topic to make you uncomfortable with. Catch the Tidbits podcast on Hotify every Wednesday.